Trump has big immigration plans for his first day of office as a brand new president of the United States of America. He has promised the largest deportation in American history. He has also promised revocation of U.S. citizenship for naturalized U.S. citizens, and he has promised to undo birthright citizenship. In this video, we'll be focusing on revocation of U.S. citizenship. Now, U.S. citizenship may be lost in one of two ways. Any citizen by birth or naturalization may choose to voluntarily, through a process known as expatriation, abandon their citizenship. That's the first way. The second way, if they acquired U.S. citizenship through naturalization, that may be revoked if the U.S. government can prove that their U.S. citizenship was obtained illegally. Revocation of naturalization is called denaturalization. Denaturalization applies only to those who become U.S. citizens through the naturalization process. That is, people or foreigners who are not born in the U.S. but get green cards, for example, and apply for U.S. citizenship. The rationale for denaturalization is that the individual was in fact not qualified for naturalization. Thus, the naturalization approval and certificate of naturalization may be revoked if they were illegally procured or they were procured by concealment of a material fact or by willful misrepresentation. Denaturalization can be civil or criminal. A naturalized U.S. citizen can have that status taken away. Historically, denaturalization was pursued by the U.S. government in very small numbers. Reports say that this averaged only 11 cases per year between 1990 and 2017. However, under President Trump's administration, there was quite a dramatic increase in the number of denaturalization cases that the government pursued and a corresponding increase in resources dedicated to this effort. Stephen Miller, who is Trump's former senior policy advisor, stated on Twitter or X in October 2023 that revocation of U.S. citizenship was going to be more powerful or was going to be turbocharged in 2025 than had happened in their previous administration. This has been called Operation Janus by the Department of Homeland Security. Now, during Trump's first presidency, he created a team of attorneys and immigration officers who went back to audit close to about 1 million files of naturalized U.S. citizens to review whether there were issues. USCIS actually hired more agents and opened up new offices to review more cases, especially of individuals who naturalized after receiving final deportation orders. Now, once citizenship is lost, remember guys, the individual reverts to their previous immigration status, either as an immigrant or a non-immigrant. And this change of status obviously will come with significant consequences. There are fears that these efforts that President Trump is proposing will further burden a system that is already backlogged. But once President Trump takes office and he works on his policies, we will provide updates on these policy decisions and their implications in order to provide immigrants with as much information and guidance as possible. I hope this helps. All the best, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.